Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to install RobotStudio. So it's a trial version which is for 30 days. The link for the software will be in the description. It's a zip file, you can unzip it and do the installation. So I'll show the installation process. We'll install RobotStudio by unzipping the file. Go to extract all and unzip the file. So once after unzipping, open the folder, go to RobotStudio. At the bottom you will get a setup.exe file. Double tap on that and click on yes. Click on OK and it will get installed. It will take around few minutes. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Click on next. Accept the agreement and next. Accept and next. So we need complete features to be installed. So click on complete and next. Install it. So make sure your internet connection is stable and wait for a few minutes. So after waiting for a few minutes, the installation is completed. Click on finish. Go to your desktop. Just refresh it once or twice. Open the software. If it's not available on the desktop, you can just search it. You'll be getting this dialog box. So just click on I want to request a trial license. Click on next. Click on RobotStudio Premium and Power Packs. So click on next. So it shows the license has been activated. So just finish it. So it asks to restart the application. Just click on S and reopen it again. So it asks to download a new distribution. So click on S and we'll have to go to add-ins. So the RobotWare for Omnicore. So this is the one we'll have to add this. So just accept the agreement and add the software. So you can see the progress bar. We'll have to wait for a few minutes to get downloaded. Once the RobotWare is installed, we can see the version 7.2 1.0 has been added, and we can also see that the RobotStudio license will expire in 30 days. So this trial license will be for the span of 30 days, and you're ready to start your project.